Hazrat Ibrahim Nakhai narrates, Hazrat Alqama went to Syria, and when he entered the mosque, he made supplication, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, bless me with some righteous companion. He then went and sat beside Hazrat Abu Darda. He asked, Where are you from? He replied, I am from Kufa. He said, Is not amongst you the one who was Prophet's confidant, and none saves him knew the mysterious, Hazrat Huzaifa radiyallahu anhu? I replied, Yes, of course. He said, Is not amongst you the one whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu protected from the Satan at the request of his Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Ammar bin Yasar radiyallahu anhu? I replied, Yes, of course. He said, Is not amongst you the one who would keep toothstick or the secrets with him, Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu? I replied, Yes, of course. He said, How does Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu recite, وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا يَخْشَى وَالنَّهَارِ إِذَا تَجَلَّى? I replied, وَالذَّكَرِ وَالْأُنْثَى. He said, These people compel me and are persistent to deviate me from what I have heard from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3743.